Brabus has taken the already extreme Mercedes AMG G63 and transformed it into something even more outrageous. With Mercedes preparing its own new G Class Cabrio, Brabus has decided not to wait and has unveiled two radical open-top versions, called the 800 Cabrio and the even more hardcore 800 XL Cabrio. These machines combine ultra-luxury, extreme engineering, and classic Brabus power tuning to create some of the wildest G-Class models ever built. Both versions start life as a Mercedes AMG G63, but Brabus performs an incredibly complex conversion to turn the tough off-roader into a high-end cabriolet. The centerpiece is the retractable soft-top roof, which Brabus says includes more than 500 custom-made components. Despite its complexity, the two-piece roof can fully open or close in just 20 seconds with a single button. The mechanism also includes a heated glass rear window, ensuring the Cabrio remains comfortable in cooler weather. Creating this roof system required major structural changes. Brabus reinforced the windshield frame and added a carbon fiber bow, ensuring the roof maintains its shape even at high speeds. A rear roll bar adds extra safety, while a dedicated soft-top cover protects the folded roof during long periods of open-air driving. The engineering behind the transformation alone sets these Cabrio models apart from anything else on the road. The Brabus 800 Cabrio also gets a series of signature upgrades. The exterior sports a custom tailgate and the aggressive wide-star body kit that widens the stance and adds bold vents and flares. Filling the arches are massive 24-inch monoblock ZM wheels wrapped in Hankook Ventus S1 Evo ZX high-performance tires. Sport springs lower the ride height by up to 40 millimeters, giving the SUV a more planted and athletic look. Inside, Brabus elevates the atmosphere with a bespoke leather interior, carbon fiber paddle shifters, air scarf neck warmers, and extensive carbon trim. Brabus logos are everywhere, emphasizing the exclusivity of this special build. Buyers can personalize the cabin with various colors and materials, making each Cabrio feel more like a tailored luxury product than a typical off-roader. Under the hood, Brabus delivers the performance expected of its name. The twin-turbo 4-liter V8 has been tuned to produce 789 horsepower and an incredible 737 pound-feet of torque. Power goes through a 9-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system. As a result, the 800 Cabrio accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4 seconds and reaches a top speed limited to 149 miles per hour. For a tall, box-shaped SUV with a soft top, these numbers are astonishing. The 800 XL Cabrio shares the same powertrain and general design, but is engineered for more than luxury cruising. This version features a portal axle suspension system that gives the vehicle an incredible 18.9 inches of ground clearance. It rides on smaller 22-inch wheels fitted with all-terrain tires, making it capable of serious off-road adventures. However, the added height affects performance slightly. The sprint to 62 miles per hour takes 4.6 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 130 miles per hour. Production is extremely limited. Brabus will build only 50 units of each model. Pricing reflects the exclusivity and complexity, with the 800 Cabrio starting at around $877,350. The 800 XL comes in at roughly $1 million depending on options. These are not practical vehicles, but they are spectacular showcases of design, engineering, and custom craftsmanship for those who want the most extravagant open-top G-Class available today.